And we're back with this week's shop update. I'm McKenna here at Spawn. This week, we will be going over restocked items, an important date, and the fishing report. So I'm gonna kick it off with our first restocked item. It is a Tibor Gulfstream in frost silver, and these will not last long, so be sure to go check it out on our site. They are really awesome.
What's good, everybody? Pete here at Spawn Fly Fish, and I know some of you have been looking for dub in all the wrong places. You're looking for dub in all the wrong faces, and we're here to show you the right spot to find the exact dub you need. So this gets into something new-ish. We have the dispensary collection here from Spawn. This is 12 of our favorite semi-seal colors that we have curated here at the shop. However, we have one minor adjustment in that, and we have removed the light-colored Northern Lights and have replaced that with the ever popular fish-catching Acid Rain. So, nothing too crazy, but definitely worth noting. And again, you can buy this in a single pack too. You don't have to buy the entire dispensary. But if you look at those colors, I don't see why you wouldn't. So, that's all I've got for you guys this week. Hope you're out there fishing.
All right, before we dive into the fishing report, we want to touch on a very important date. April 27th, the Kids Fishing Derby here in Ilwaco, Washington at Black Lake just got a whole lot more exciting. So, the awesome folks at Kleinline Kids have given us 200 rods. Say that again, 200 rods to send each and every kid home with for this year's Fishing Derby. It was something we did last year. It was unbelievable. It's something that we're going to do again this year. This is going to really increase the accessibility for kids getting on the water when they got their own gear. So we're super, super excited about that and very, very grateful for the folks at Kleinline Kids. Thank you so much. You made a monstrous impact on our community. In terms of fishing, so we continued our hunt for Willapa Bay cutthroat. Pete and I got out, we explored a new area. There is another blog on that new area where we searched for this fish. It is an elusive fish and the hunt has been very challenging, but we will crack the code. In terms of cutthroat fishing though, I did sneak up to Puget Sound this past weekend, and if you have not fished Puget Sound lately, it is frankly phenomenal. Fishing was great all day long. We got there really early. We fished the entire outgoing tide and we found fish on all the beaches. Everywhere where they should be, they were there. We fished a ton of articulated Spawn flies, whether it's our Spawn semi-seal, our Spawn shanks, Spawn beads, you name it. Spawn was front and center and getting the job done day in, day out. So overall, fishing in Puget Sound was phenomenal. It's gonna be a lot like it was last weekend, this weekend, so it's gonna be really sunny. So what I like to do is just slow my retrieve down. Those fish are gonna lay low. They know the predators can see them. So just be a little patient. You'll get those fish to come up. They are there, they're eager to strike, and they're a very opportunistic species. So overall, fishing Puget Sound is good. The hunt continues down here in Southwest Washington. All the lakes are going to be stocked again for the Kids Fishing Derby. Keep that in mind. But overall, great opportunities out there. If you guys enjoyed this, hit like, hit subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.